Moving now to news from Mumbai, well, as the euphoria and excitement of the Ganesh Utsav continues across Maharashtra, this shocking video from Lal Bagh Cha Raja in Mumbai, one of the most prominent and popular Ganesh mandals, has gone viral on social media. Well, what does this video actually show? It shows ill treatment of the common man and special treatment of the VIPs visiting this very popular Ganesh mandal. Is this really the dark reality of this absolutely stunning Ganesh mandal there? Let me go across to my colleague Sujata. Sujata, this video has sparked a lot of outrage. Is this really something that we see every year, or is it something that has started this year with the entire paparazzi culture also sort of blowing out of proportion and many celebrities paying visit to the Lal Bagh Cha Raja mandal?
Well, certainly, and we saw that this video that has gone viral is not our first video in this year, whereas the same case is seen every year, and year by year we see that huge crowds, almost lakhs of people gather at the Lal Bagh Cha Raja Pandal, which is, since 1934, one of the most prominent pandals in Mumbai, which was started by the Kambli family. But we see that this particular scenario where the devotees are not treated in the right manner, and they are being pushed by the bodyguards or the security officials near the idol of the Ganesh Murti is something that has been noticed throughout the year. And though there are people who keep complaining about such instances where they have been either mistreated or mishandled by the security officials, and though this particular behavior of the security officials at the Lal Bagh Cha Raja Pandal, they do receive criticism and backlash every year because of the video in which it could be clearly seen that on one end, in half of the video, there are devotees who are trying to worship the feet of the idol, but they are being pushed by the security officials, while on the other there are these VVIPs and VIPs who have been given good treatment. They are being given chances to stand near the feet of the idol and click pictures. So this has gathered criticism from people on social media where they are complaining, and now it is two lawyers of the and advocates of the Bombay High Court who have written a letter to the Mumbai Commissioner of Police stating that there is this discrimination that is seen between the people of at Lal Bagh, and this has somewhere led to people being dissatisfied in a pandal where everybody should be considered equal before the god. It is clearly opposite of what it should be, and which is why the two lawyers have demanded strict action against the security heads of the people, of the security officials who guard there near the idol, and also at the same time they have been also asking for strict actions and also arrangements to be done for the people who stand for almost hours and days to ensure that they receive blessings of Lal Bagh Cha Raja, which is considered also an idol who is believed to be fulfilling every person's wish who visit there. So obviously it is people's devotion on one end, while on the other it is the mishandling that is being done to them, yet people facing that and standing in queues for hours to ensure that they get the darshan. But while on the other, the treatment that they receive, it is now two lawyers who have come up and also asked for action against this.